Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So, for today's video, we're going to be checking out some chrome nail ideas, arts, and design trends that you can follow this season. Now, chrome nails are one of my favorite nail trends. I swear, I've been obsessed with this look for like the past 2 years, and I actually went through a period of time where I got nothing but chrome nails. Like literally every single time I'd go to the nail shop, I was asking for chrome nails. And if you tried the trend out yourself, you can easily see why you can get addicted to this look and aesthetic. It's just so pretty, so fun, and you get so many compliments rocking it out. So here we have someone doing kind of like a marble take on the look. I thought that this was really cool because this literally looks like the inside of a marble or like just like a jeweled piece of some sort. So pretty. And then we got this gorgeous greenish turquoisey chrome look. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Followed by this pink chrome. I went to this Barbie party and I got something very similar to this. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. But they did multiple colors here for this one. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. And we got the silver chrome, which is being achieved with the cat eye. Oh, I like the little touch with the star on it. That's cute. I like the little jewel pieces with the stars. Come with me for baby pink chrome nails. So we can all thank Hailey Bieber for starting this trend. I mean, she's the one who really just kind of like set it off, got us all excited about it. Oh, so gorgeous. And you do have to pay a little bit more extra for the chrome nails, but believe me, it is worth it. So they got like the stiletto style here. Wow, those are some long nails. And then we have like this peachy chrome. I've actually never seen this before. I think it looks so beautiful. Like this is next on my list to try. This color is just gorgeous. And then here she has some blue chrome nails. This is actually on my next look. When I go on vacation, this is the look I am wearing. This version is pretty as well. So pretty. And then we have another take on some more pink chrome nails. Now my favorite version of rocking out the chrome, I would say, is either doing the pink or doing actually white, which is like so basic, but I just think it looks so pretty. It looks like pearls on your nails. Another baby pink chrome variation. I feel like chrome would be really pretty too if you are about to get married and you're looking for a nice way to do like a wedding nail. Here we have someone doing silver chrome. And they actually combine that with like different designs and colors. I like the fact that they did like a nude nail here, added some design. Like these are some really cool looking nails. Very edgy, very spicy. Definitely something different. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of today's nail art ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.